In order to prevent that, you have to learn to have productive conflict. Ano yung productive conflict? That we're able to argue, exchange opinions, disagree with each other, and still be able to eat lunch together. Yung hindi na uuwian sa ulian ng kandila, no? Di ba? So, how do you create productive conflict? You have to maintain conflict in a way that doesn't attack the other person. Kasi when you start attacking intention, when you start judging the other person, you're not dealing with the issue anymore. You're now ang norm namin sa kumpanya is attack the problem, do not attack the person. Okay? Because when you start attacking the person, diyan na tayo magkakaproblema. Right?